Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see and find your Bitcoin transaction ID on Cash App. Let's get started. Begin by opening the Cash App on your mobile device and ensuring you're properly signed into your account. Once you're on the main home screen, direct your attention to the bottom of the display where you'll see a row of navigation icons providing access to different sections of the application. We're specifically going to tap on the clock-shaped icon, which represents your activity page and serves as the central hub for all your transaction history and financial movements within the app. This comprehensive activity page systematically lists all your past financial transactions in chronological order, including standard deposits, routine withdrawals, everyday purchases, and specialized cryptocurrency transactions. If you've recently completed a Bitcoin-related transaction, it should appear prominently at the very top of this chronological list for easy access. However, if you're looking for an older Bitcoin transaction that occurred further back in time, you'll need to scroll down patiently through your transaction history until you successfully locate the specific entry you're searching for. When searching for Bitcoin transactions, it's important to understand that Cash App categorizes outgoing Bitcoin transfers specifically under the withdrawals section rather than standard payments. Look carefully for transactions clearly labeled as withdrawals that involve Bitcoin movements, as these will contain the crucial transaction details you need to locate. Once you've successfully identified the correct Bitcoin withdrawal transaction from your activity list, tap directly on it to open the detailed transaction information screen, where you can access more comprehensive data about that specific financial movement. Within the detailed transaction view, you'll notice several informational sections and actionable options related to your Bitcoin transfer. Look specifically for the option clearly labeled Web Receipt. This is the gateway to accessing the complete technical details of your Bitcoin transaction, including the vital transaction ID you're seeking. Tap firmly on the Web Receipt option, which will automatically open a new, more detailed view specifically dedicated to your Bitcoin transaction with enhanced technical information not available in the standard transaction summary. On this specialized Bitcoin transaction details page, you'll encounter several important pieces of information, including the current transaction status, the exact amount of Bitcoin that was sent, the specific receiving wallet address, timestamps, network confirmation details, and other relevant technical data. To locate your actual Bitcoin transaction hash ID, which is the unique identifier for your transaction on the blockchain network, look carefully for a distinctive long string comprising both letters and numbers, typically displayed in a blue-colored font for better visibility. This character sequence will appear under the section clearly marked Transaction or Transaction Hash and serves as the permanent unique identifier for your specific Bitcoin transfer on the public blockchain. Positioned conveniently next to the displayed hash ID, you'll notice a small white copy icon designed specifically for easy copying of this important technical information. Tap directly on this copy icon, and you should immediately see a quick notification or confirmation message indicating copied or text copied to clipboard. This visual confirmation means the complete Bitcoin transaction hash ID has been successfully copied to your device's clipboard system, ready for pasting into any other application or platform where you might need to reference or verify your transaction. You can now comfortably paste this copied transaction ID wherever it's required, whether for personal record keeping, sharing with another party for verification purposes, submitting to tax documentation, providing to customer support for assistance, or tracking your transaction's progress on a Blockchain Explorer website. This comprehensive process ensures you can reliably locate, access, and utilize your Bitcoin transaction identification details whenever the need arises while using Cash App's cryptocurrency features. That's it, guys. See you in the next video.